The Glimpses of India, Part 2, Coorg. Coorg is a coffee country famous for its rainforests and spices. The second part, Coorg, is written by Lokesh Abrol, a renowned doctor by profession, as well as established writer. This essay on Coorg, it highlights his sharp observation of a wonderful land, a beautiful land called Coorg. Now we will study what is famous there in this place, Coorg. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have been drifted from the kingdom of God. So, midway in the middle of Mysore and a Bangalore, coastal town of Mangalore, there sits a beautiful piece, a piece of heaven, as if it has been drifted. Drifted means carried along gently by air from the kingdom of God itself. Imagine the description of the writer, how beautiful the place must be. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. So, this land of rolling hills, this land of rolling hills is inhabited by proud race of martial men. Martial means having to do with war. They are warlike, the people who fight in the war, and beautiful women, and of course wild creatures. Kurgor, it is called Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district. During the monsoons, it pours enough to keep many visitors away. Now, during monsoons, it pours heavily. It rains very heavily, so many visitors do not come. The season of joy commences. Commences means starts from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. With some rainfall for good measure means for a good atmosphere. The air breathes of invigorating coffee, and the air breathes of invigorating means energy giving coffee. हमेशा वहाँ से कॉफ़ी की स्मेल आती है. Coffee estates and coffee colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners, and one can still see the coffee estates, large coffee plantations, and the colonial bungalows, big bungalows. Colonial means related to a colony. जहाँ पे सब जो सुपरवाइजर जो उस पर कॉफ़ी स्टेट्स पे काम करते हैं, all those people, they live in those bungalows. They stand tucked under. You can see them under the tree canopies. Canopies are shelter like umbrellas. Umbrella, tree की umbrella जैसे हो जाती है, उसके नीचे prime corners में, best corners में या कूर्ग के पाए जाते हैं. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. And the fiercely independent and the violently independent people of Coorg, they are somewhat या तो of Greek descent, or they are from Arabic descent. या तो वो Arabic हैं पुराने natives या Greek के हैं. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So there is one story which goes there, that Alexander's army moved south along the coast and they settled here, and then their return became impractical. They could not return back. These people married amongst the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. And these people, then these army people, they married the local people, and their culture is very apparent. Apparent means very clear in the martial traditions. जो उनके traditions हैं वो बिल्कुल martial हैं, वही warlike traditions हैं उनके. Even in the marriage and the religious rites, they are very different. Distinct means very different from the Hindu mainstream. Mainstream means a tradition which most people follow. जो ज़्यादा लोग follow करते हैं उससे बिल्कुल भिन्न हैं, बिल्कुल अलग हैं. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat, with an embroidered waist belt worn by Kodavus known as Kufia. It resembles the Kufia worn by the Arabs and the Kurds. और दूसरी theory क्या है? That is about that these people have Arab origin because they wear a long black coat, embroidered उनकी waist belt होती है, और उसे क्या कहते हैं? Kufia. और वो बिल्कुल it resembles it is same like the Kufia which is worn by the Arabs and the Kurd people of Saudi Arabia. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. कुर्गी होम्स में एक ट्रेडिशन है हॉस्पिटैलिटी का, मेहमान नवाजी का. मीन्स दे गिव अ गुड warm welcome to the guests. And they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. And they will recount means they will remember numerous, so many tales of valor. Tales of valor means stories of courage and bravery, usually in war, related to their sons and fathers. और कुर्गी आप घर में जाओगे, they will become so great hospitable people, guest loving people. और वो बहुत सारी स्टोरीज आपको बताएंगे वॉर्स की, related to their sons and fathers. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian Army, and the first chief of Indian Army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Now see what a प्रेस्टिजियस थिंग. एक हमारी आर्मी में कूर्ग रेजिमेंट भी है, एक पूरा जो आर्मी का है वो एक जो उनकी बटालियन है वो कूर्ग है. एंड इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेकोरेटेड मीन्स हैविंग रिसीव द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ अवार्ड्स ऑफ ब्रेवरी इन द वॉर. और यही नहीं, हमारे जो फर्स्ट चीफ थे इंडियन आर्मी के, ही वॉज जनरल कैरियप्पा एंड ही वॉज ऑफ कूर्ग. ही वॉज अ कूर्ग. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. और आज भी जो कुर्गी पीपल हैं, जो कोडावूज हैं, दे आर द ओनली पीपल ऑफ इंडिया जो फायर आर्म्स रख सकते हैं, वेपन्स रख सकते हैं विदाउट अ लाइसेंस. द रिवर कावेरी obtained its water from the hills and forests of a Coorg. और जो रिवर साउथ में रिवर कावेरी है, दैट टेक्स इट्स ओरिजिन फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट्स ऑफ Coorg. महासियर, अ लार्ज फ्रेश वाटर फिश, अबाउंड इन दीज वाटर्स. और कावेरी रिवर में जो फिश पाई जाती है, दैट इज़ महासियर. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the water, clear water. And the kingfishers, you can be seen here, they dive for their catch. वो catch को dive करते हैं fish को पकड़ने के लिए. Squirrels और langurs जो हैं, they throw the partial eaten, the less eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and ripple. वो पानी में ये फेंकते रहते हैं जो फ्रूट्स वो खाते हैं. एंड दे इन्जॉय वैन दे सी कि स्प्लैश होता है, पानी में रिपल पड़ते हैं उनके फ्रूट गिराने से. एलिफेंट्स इन्जॉय बीइंग बेस्ड एंड स्क्रब्ड इन द रिवर बाय देयर महावत्स. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, एलिफेंट्स आर ऑल्सो सीन इन द रिवर कावेरी बीइंग बेस्ड एंड स्क्रब्ड. स्क्रब्ड मीन्स रबिंग, देयर बॉडीज आर रब्ड बाय देयर ओनर्स कॉल्ड महावत्स. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. And so these people, they're most laid back. Most laid back means most relaxed, not in a hurry. So these individuals, they're relaxed people. They convert to the life of high energy adventure games, and then they enjoy these high energy adventure things. That is river rafting. See what is a river rafting? Traveling in a river in a raft. Raft होता है a floating platform made by tying planks together. कुछ प्लैंक्स होते हैं प्लास्टिक के या टायर्स होते हैं, उसको मिलाकर एक राफ्ट बना दिया जाता है. एंड देन दे लव कैनोइंग. कैनोइंग इज़ ट्रैवलिंग इन अ रिवर इन अ कैनोए. कैनोए इज़ अ लार्ज नैरो बोट. देन दे लव रैपलिंग. रैपलिंग होता है गोइंग डाउन अ क्लिफ बाई स्लाइडिंग डाउन अ रोप. क्लिफ मीन्स माउंटेन, हिल के ऊपर चढ़ते हैं और फिर नीचे स्लाइड करते हुए आते हैं, घिसटते हुए नीचे आते हैं डाउन अ रोप. एंड देन दे लव रॉक क्लाइंबिंग एंड ऑल्सो माउंटेन बाइकिंग. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trackers, and numerous means many walking trails. Trails means paths created by walking in this region are very very favorite of the trackers. जो ट्रैक करते हैं, वॉकिंग करते हैं, उनके लिए बड़े फेमस वॉकिंग ट्रेल्स हैं यहाँ पर. So this is all about in this video.